Welcome students, hope you all are good. Open your English Oxford book and open your page number 78, unit number 13, lesson 4. So look at the pictures, ask and answer the questions about seasons. Yeah, this is your homework. कि what is the weather like in spring में कैसा weather होता है, summer में, autumn में, winter में. आपका homework है, book पे ही करना है. Complete the sentences using these words. ठीक है. Mole wanted to meet Mr. Badger. When he left the house, he started walk towards the wildwood. Number 2, there seemed to be evil faces in the hole. हमने ये वाले words use करने हैं. He wanted to get out of the wood, but he was lost. Firstly, he heard soft whistling and then it started get louder. Mole started to run too. He wanted to go home. ठीक है, तो हमने ये इसमें यूज कर लिए. ठीक है. Now come to page number 79. Some words have same sound but different spelling. ठीक है, जिनके कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके साउंड सेम होते हैं. जैसे पीस है लेकिन स्पेलिंग जो होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है. ये डिफरेंट पीस इसका मतलब होता है मीनिंग, और इसका अलग मीनिंग होता है. ठीक है, तो हमने करेक्ट जो होती है वो चूज करनी है. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम इसको पीस कर लेंगे. आई कांट hear a sound. Here is a flower for you. Their cake is made of egg, sugar and flour. Please, may I have a piece of cake after I finish my meat? Will you meet me over there at 6 o'clock? ठीक है. Make the opposite of underlined words by adding this and un. ठीक है, हमने ये यूज करने हैं. ठीक है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल में when you are not happy you are unhappy. When you do not like people you unlike them. When people are not friendly they are unfriendly. When something appears you can see it, but when it disappears you can't. When people are not well they are unwell. When a room is not tidy it is untidy. When you obey people you do what they tell you. When you disobey you don't. ठीक है, तो इस तरह हमने वर्ड्स यूज कर लिए. अब ये लेटर में आप लोगों ने वर्ड्स फिल करने हैं. ठीक है, मिसिंग वर्ड्स. Dear Auntie Farida, thank you very much for inviting us and stay with you during the summer holiday. I would not like to stay at home all the time. I'd like to go to the Shalimar's garden, please, because I like flowers and trees. Can I help you to make the picnic? I look forward. I'm seeing you in the summer. Lots of love, Sarah.